K-Essentials, we can indulge in the ultimate self-care experience. Everyone can enjoy the different luxurious collections of massage and body oil, soaps, and candles.
Nagagalak po kaming lahat na taga San Jose, Tarlac dahil po sa produkto naming luya at matutulungan din po ninyo kaming magbenta ng luya. So maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Kasi sila po yung palaging umorder sa amin ng iba't ibang kulay ng mga tinalak. At saka sila po yung nag-iimbita po sa amin. Kaya nandito po kami sa harap nyo ngayon.
These products are crafted with a special blend of essential oils and a base of sweet almond oil. Ooh. They're 100% natural and sourced from the indigenous communities, just like what we said, and you can feel the love and care put into each item as they leave your skin feeling warmed, lightened, and restored. So elevate your self-care routine with K-Essentials.
So one of our goals is to introduce products that is proudly made in Tarlac and make it accessible to every Filipino.
We really want to show that Filipinos can create world-class products, and together with the communities, we just really want to highlight them, and this is really for them, and we want to help them sustainably.
Given me a lot of pride to be a part of this family because they not only create beautiful products but products with the aim to really elevate Filipino communities and give livelihoods and jobs to the Filipino people.
Kasi nasubukan po namin nung nakatuwag na po nga namin itong K-Essential. In-apply po namin itong kanilang ginawa sa aming katawan at talagang sabi nga bagamat pagod ka relax,